Welcome to the dawn of a grand transformation, where ancient giants rest under the golden sun, waiting for the industrial symphony to wake them from their slumber. Behold the sheer scale of the raw materials, a silent forest of timber gathered here, ready to be reshaped by the precision of modern engineering and design. A massive steel claw awakens, its mechanical jaws reaching out with overwhelming power, ready to lift the heavy weight of history and bring it to life. With a firm and steady grip, the steel teeth bite into the rough, aged bark, marking the very first step of this incredible and mesmerizing journey today. As the log is lifted, dust and debris fall like memories of the forest, while the rhythmic motion of the conveyor belt begins its steady, industrial beat. Every particle of dust tells a story of the wilderness now caught in the cinematic light as the log advances toward its fate in the factory's heart. From this perspective, the sheer power of the machinery is breathtaking, dwarfing all else as it prepares to process these massive gifts of nature into something new. The stage is set for Chapter 1.
All right, easy now. Bring it on in.
The heart of the factory begins to race as massive circular saws accelerate, creating a silver blur of potential and raw energy ready to cut through history. With a high-pitched hum of power, the blade makes its first contact, slicing through the dense wood with an ease that only high-tech engineering can provide. Behold the art of the cut, where sawdust dances in the air like golden sparks, marking the transition from a raw tree to a refined industrial material. Chapter 2, The Art of Purification, where the log is finally ready to be shaped into the masterpieces of architecture and design that follow. Now the log begins to dance, rotating on a spindle while a razor-sharp blade peels away a continuous sheet of wood, thin as a silk ribbon. The wood unfolds in a mesmerizing display of nature's beauty, flowing out like a giant roll of parchment, revealing complex patterns of grain and history within. Speed and precision meet as the veneer races past, each layer uniform and perfect, a testament to the incredible accuracy of modern wood-peeling technology today. Elsewhere, massive vertical saws divide the heart of the log into perfectly uniform planks, each cut made with a level of accuracy that defies human imagination. The steel teeth move with ruthless efficiency, leaving behind surfaces so flat and smooth they seem to have been polished by the very hands of fate. The air is filled with the rhythmic hum of progress as multiple lines operate in perfect synchrony, maximizing output without sacrificing a single ounce of quality. A robotic arm enters the frame, its movements fluid and precise as it gathers the fresh planks, stacking them with the gentle touch of a master craftsman. This is the harmony of automation, where machines work together to organize the chaos of nature into the orderly components of a global construction industry's supply. Nothing is lost in this process, as even the smallest shavings are gathered and carried away to be recycled, ensuring a sustainable and zero-waste manufacturing cycle. In the belly of the grinder, waste is transformed into resources, feeding the factory's energy or becoming the foundation for secondary products in a circular economy. Chapter 3, The Dance of the Steel, concludes here, having turned massive timber into the building blocks of the future with unmatched speed and grace. We enter the forge of stability, where wood planks enter massive drying tunnels bathed in the warm orange glow of high-intensity industrial heating elements today. As the temperature rises, moisture escapes in ethereal clouds of steam, a vital process that stabilizes the wood and prevents it from warping or cracking later. Patience is key in this phase, as the timber moves slowly through the heat, allowing its inner structure to reach a state of perfect equilibrium and strength. Next, the bonding begins, as rollers apply a thin, glossy layer of high-performance adhesive, preparing the wood sheets to be joined together in an unbreakable bond. Every millimeter is covered with precision, ensuring that the layers will fuse perfectly into a single, incredibly strong structural unit capable of supporting massive weight. Layer by layer, the sheets are assembled, their grains alternating for maximum strength, as the machine builds the foundation of what will become a high-performance material. The moment of truth arrives as a massive hydraulic press descends, exerting thousands of tons of pressure to fuse the wood layers into a solid, unified block. Under this immense force, the individual sheets lose their separate identities, becoming a new substance that combines the beauty of nature with the strength of steel. A stunning, minimalist interior where the wood panels bring warmth and elegance to a modern architectural masterpiece that inspires all who enter. To touch this wood is to feel the journey it has taken, from a giant in the woods to a refined element of a human home, providing comfort and style. The symphony of steel and wood reaches its final, beautiful crescendo as the giant's life is renewed in the form of timeless, elegant, and sustainable human spaces. Thank you for joining us on this journey. The wood endures, the technology advances, and the symphony plays on forever in the heart of our modern world today.